Welcome to this step-by-step guide on migrating your Squarespace site to WordPress in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transfer your pages and posts smoothly without losing important content. Step 1. Log into WordPress. First, open your browser and head to the WordPress website. On the top right corner, click Log In. If you prefer, you can speed things up by choosing Continue with Google and selecting your account. Step 2. Access Import Tools. Once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, look for the Tools section in the left-hand menu. Under Tools, click Import. This is where WordPress lets you bring in content from other platforms. Step 3. Choose Squarespace Import. In the import list, find and select Squarespace. This tells WordPress that you want to migrate content from a Squarespace site. Step 4. Upload your export file. Before this step, you should have already exported your Squarespace site as an XML file. Now simply upload or drag and drop that file into the importer. This file contains your pages, posts, and site structure. Step 5. Finalize import. Follow any on-screen prompts, double-check the details, and let WordPress process the import. Once complete, your Squarespace content will now appear inside your WordPress dashboard, ready to edit and manage. And that's it. You've just migrated your Squarespace site to WordPress. From here, you can customize your theme, add plugins, and continue building out your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more website tips. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.